Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody contacted me by email and theirs is just like my Corel. If I double click on my pen tool, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So if you want to set the outline color and thickness, just hit F12 on your keyboard. And this will come up in graphic is what it is and say okay. And then you could set your line thickness and your color. I draw in red hairline all the time. So when I draw a rectangle, which is a graphic, I get a red hairline. Now, my color always works. I've double click on this and I'm going to put none and then say okay. And then this comes up and you got to say okay. But if you want it to be a color, you could actually hit F12 or X11 or F11 and you'll get that same thing. And you could go solid fill, and let's say I want to make them all green. And then you got to go okay. And then when you draw a rectangle, it's green. I never have understood why people have it set like that. But I'm a laser engraver, so that's different. So I'm going to hit F11 and I'm going to put no fill and say okay. And then it's going to come up with this and say okay. And then I do my line. Now, the other way you can change it is go right here to your pen tool, and you're doing the same thing. You're hitting F12, and F12 is going to open up this box. So F12 is going to do your set your fill, or F12 is going to be your outline color and thickness, and F11 will be your fill. But you can go right here and set it, and go right here to a uniform fill, and then set it on yellow. Say okay, and then every time you got to say okay again. Then every time you draw a graphic, it'll be yellow. But then again, I don't like that, so I'm going to put it back to no fill. When I say okay, the graphic will come up and it'll say okay. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.